Hey guys, what's going on? YouTubers, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, everybody. So listen, I got a question here from somebody on where was I think Facebook saying, hey, is this a good time to invest into the stock market? I'm going to tell you right now, it's always a good time to invest into the stock market. In fact, today, Thursday, January 21st, the stock market on Wall Street, the S&P 500 hit an all-time high over 31,000 points. This is the highest it's been in the history of the stock market. So if you want to invest in the stock market and you don't have a lot of money, I have a little secret that I want to share with you, and I'm going to tell you what it is right now, and you can start making a lot of money. So check it out. A lot of people want to invest money into the stock market, but they don't have a lot of money, right? They have like maybe $1,000 or a couple $1,000 in their checking account laying around or money on some credit cards. And believe me, if you only have $1,000, you can still get involved. But you know, what's happening is the stock market is exploding. 2020, the stock market started going up, Bitcoin started going up, big, huge banks and huge companies and hedge funds worth billions of dollars started buying chunks, huge chunks, hundreds of millions of shares of stock in big companies like Apple and Amazon and Tesla, and it just skyrocketed the stock market. So today we just saw the stock market, Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is the top 500 stocks on the New York Stock Exchange, just hit an all-time high over 31,000. Now, if you want to buy one share of the S&P 500 Dow Jones Industrial Average, you want to buy a piece of that stock, you got to spend $31,000. However, you can buy pieces of it, little, 1/10 of that, and you can still make a huge percentage of a profit. So listen up, this is what this is called. I'm just taking a little walk here to the store. I'm in Mexico, in the Caribbean. It's beautiful out today, 82 degrees, balmy. So what we have, I'm going to stop here and talk to you. What we have is called spiders, SPDR, SPDR, SPYDR, spiders. Spiders were created a long time ago in 1993, and it's a way. Hey, he just sold some stuff there, amigo. They're selling stuff everywhere here, guys. Food, ice cream. They're selling chickens on the street. They're selling fish on the street. So anyway, back to the story. Spiders are pieces. You can buy spiders, shares of stock in spiders, and I'll even show you. I'll put in a stock symbol here and put it in the link in the description, where you can buy 1/10 of the S&P 500. So when the S&P 500 goes up, and it's been going up forever, okay, it hit an all-time high today. You can buy a 1/10, or you can buy 1/20th, or you can buy 1%. So for example, the S&P 500 just hit 31,000, a little over 31,000. You can buy 1/10 of that, okay, which is a very small investment. You can make 1/10 of 31,000. Let's say we're talking about maybe $300, $310. Let's just say $300. So you can invest $300 into a spider, which is a piece of the S&P 500, and when the S&P 500 goes up, you make the same percentage. Does that make sense? Now, let me share with you the numbers and how much you can.
I don't know if you can see him there. That is a spider. There you see it. That is a spider. We're talking spiders. Investing in spider shares on the S&P 500. Anybody can get involved. Look at that guy.
Okay, so real simple. How it works is you can get started, and I have a program with thousands of other investors where we pool our money together and we start buying shares of stock of spiders. Spiders, again, are pieces of the S&P 500. So for example, we'll go in and our trader will buy 1,000 shares of a spider, which is a piece of the S&P 500, okay? So 1,000 shares, and he'll buy an option, and I'm gonna do a whole nother video on option trading, okay? He'll actually buy a piece of the S&P 500 with a spider, a share of stock within the spider. Spiders of shares are shares of stock of the S&P 500 and many other different stocks. But we're talking about the S&P 500 because that one controls the stock market. When the stock market goes up, S&P 500 goes up. When S&P 500 goes down, the stock market goes down. Okay? The S&P 500 is the top 500 traded stocks on Wall Street every day. And they've had this for since the stock market started, okay? So here's what'll happen is, man, it's busy here. And I'm not even on the beach right now. I'm about 10 minutes off the beach. What'll happen is he'll go buy 1,000 shares, okay? He'll probably get a share of stock at about, let's say, $300. He'll buy 1,000 of those, which is a lot of money, $300,000. But if you have your money in our investing pool, you will actually make a percentage of when the S&P 500 goes up. So let's say tomorrow the S&P 500 goes from 31,000 to 32,000. You don't make $1,000 because you would have to actually buy a share of stock in the S&P 500 and spend or invest $31,000. You're buying a piece, 1/10 of that. So let's say you invest $300. The S&P 500 goes from 31,000 to 32,000, okay? Let's just say that's 2%. You're making 2% on your money daily. Now, you might say 2% is nothing, right? I can make that in my checking account, which actually you don't. Checking accounts aren't even paying any interest. But 2% daily, if you do this every day, add it up. That's compounding your money. 2%, the next day is 4%. The third day is 6%. The fourth day is 8%. It adds up because you're compounding your money. You know, multi-billionaires like Warren Buffett made their money by compounding their money using compounding interest, and that's exactly what we do using spiders. So you can take a $300 investment, you can double it to 600, you can triple it to 900, you can quadruple it to 1,200, and you can just keep doubling your money literally daily, guys. Now, I know that sounds complicated, but if you want a really true breakdown on how it works, all you got to do is make a comment below. I'll get you on a live call. I will train you, no charge, complimentary, and I will teach you and train you and give you the knowledge and the confidence so you can invest in these spiders and double, triple, quadruple your money. Heck, guys, in 30 days, if you start with $300, in 30 days, you could be up to $19,000. You can turn $300 into $20,000 investing in spiders. Okay, and I know that sounds crazy, but that's how people are getting rich on Wall Street. Okay, so that's how it works, guys. It's real simple, but you need to have some training. So I have a training course. I'm going to put a link in the description where I teach people how to invest in the stock market because I've been doing it since the late 1990s, 1997, 1998. And I've made a lot of money, then I lost a lot of money, then I made money, then I lost money, and then I finally figured out how to just buy pieces of a share of stock. I buy pieces, small pieces of Bitcoin, and I keep reinvesting the money daily, every day, every week, every month into Bitcoin, and eventually my goal is to have about a couple $1 million worth of Bitcoin, then cash them out and retire, or put that money into real estate. But right now, where we're putting our money is the stock market, okay? Because any money I make, I'm putting it in the stock market, I'm putting it into spiders, and I'm buying small pieces of the number one investment on Wall Street today in the world, which is the S&P 500. It's over 31,000. It's gonna go, they're saying it's gonna go over 50,000 plus this year in 2021. And some people are saying it's going to go higher, 60,000. So if you want to get your share of your little fortune using the stock market, but you don't have a lot of money, you can start off with a little money investing in shares of stock in spiders, which are buying small little pieces, 1/10, 1/20, a half, 1% of the number one investment on Wall Street today, which is putting your money in the top 500 traded stocks, which is the S&P 500. If you love that info, comment below, smash that like button, give me a thumbs up, smash that like button, guys. Come on, help me out with the Google algorithm. And I want you to subscribe. It's free, right down below, right down on the little red buttons. Hit subscribe and keep watching my videos. I'm going to start producing videos every single day on the stock market because this is where I'm starting to make more money, more money, a lot more money. I'm talking 10, 12, 15% or more daily. How would you like to make 150% on your money every month? That's what you want to do. You want to earn big interest on your money, and you can do it with spiders. Check out the description below. I'm going to put the stock symbol of spiders. What we're doing, me and all my thousands of investors, that we take all of our money in my money pool, we buy shares of stock in spiders. Get involved now before it's too late. And again, if you need help, comment below, send me your name, your mobile number, your country code, your email. I will get you on a personal call with me or one of my stock trading coaches, and I got them all over the USA, guys, and they will help you, okay? And we'll get you involved. Other than that, keep watching my videos. I'll see you on the next video.